Hello everyone, welcome back. Have you ever wondered how to detect suspicious activity in Windows using Azure Sentinel? Today we'll walk through a real-world use case, Event 1102, which occurs when someone clears the Windows security event log. Let's see how we can detect this with using Azure automation rule. First, we will create a Windows 11 VM on our Azure environment as a test machine, and then we will set up a connector and configure a data collection rule to collect logs from our test VM, and then we will verify that the logs are being ingested to our Azure Sentinel. After that, we will review any installed extensions on our VM, and we will then create an analytic rules using NRT to capture event 1102. And finally, we will set up logic apps and playbook to automatically notify the person responsible for incident response when this event occurs. Alright, let's get started. Okay, first I am going to log in to my endpoint machine and check if the security event pop up after starting my machine just recently. And I'm going to try executing some PowerShell troubleshooting script to verify how to solve a problem in case my endpoint machine is not working properly. In this case, I will try to verify an agent status, an agent version, some stuff like that. And I might execute a command to uninstall or reinstall an extension again if I found any problem occurred. And this is quite important because when sending logs for both cloud or on-premise environment, we will need to work with an AMA agent or Azure Arc agent, Azure Arc extension. And then I will go back to the connector page to check whether I have already installed the connector. If not, I will need to go back to the Content Hub to enable Windows Security Event via AMA again. And then I will need to configure the DCR to connect my endpoint machine to Sentinel through the connector. And you can also check if the data is being received in the square on the left hand side. And now I am going to configure an analytic rule, test 1102. And you can also verify the mapping of the mother attack. And in this scenario, I will use an NRT query filtering only event 1102. I also wanted to determine the minimum and maximum when I run my query in the dashboard, because this will make it easier for me to see how many times the event had occurred. And then next. And I also wanted to enable automatic incident creation. And now I will set up the logic apps and playbook later. Okay, what you need to do first is create a playbook with an incident triggered. Okay, we will set up a logic to automatically send an email whenever an incident is generated. It will take some time. To create a playbook. Okay, and in this scenario, okay, I will add an action, and then I am using Outlook email because it is easy to set up. You can use send an email v2, and then you can use your free Outlook account and specify the destination email domain where you wanted to send the alert. It will take a few seconds to sync with our email account. Okay, I am going to add my own email as well as my channel email. And you can also design the elements you wanted to include in the email body. In this case, I use a standard format that includes incident title, ID, time, and severity. And now I am creating an automation rule to map a condition that includes the analytic rule that I created just recently. And I am also configuring the rule to trigger an action with my playbook. Okay, now we go back to our Windows 11 machine and we will simulate clearing the log manually to see if event 1102 is generated. And after a few minutes, should be 2 minutes according to the criteria of NRT rule, we should receive a notification email. And if you monitor the incident page, you will see detailed information about the alert, including MITRE attack tactics and technique, for example. And lastly, I will show you how to query the event 1102 alert based on the time it was generated. You can adjust the summarization query as you want. I only display computer account and event ID and activity. And if you remove this query, you will be able to see the full event detail in the query detail section, just like this. And you can also customize the query using KQL to display the information you need. Thank you everyone. See you in the next video. Peace.